We are playing the one and only Hot Wheels Race Off. Now today, guys, this year, these days, they're not putting Hot Wheels Race Off on Play Store. So I just got it on my browser. So yeah, now I have Hot Wheels Race Off, and my second video that I'm going to post today is going to be for Hot Wheels Unlimited. Yeah. Okay. Born in 2012. No. This song's bringing back memories, bro. Okay. I remember here that guy will explode before even going there. Yeah. Can you stop? Oh. Oh, the hill is steep. Oh. Yeet. Backflip, baby. Guys, you see that small thing on top of the car? Then that's yellow and black. If you just go upside down, you explode. See? So I'm going to stop here for now. Because you can see my fuel is not even finishing because I went to my browser and searched for unlimited money for Hot Wheels Race Off. So don't show this. There's no any other car. I can just get this one. You see? I just upgrade here. Okay, don't show. Just upgrading like nobody's business, guys. Because I got unlimited money and all cars unlocked. So next, done. Now let's race this. And I believe that this car is a bone shaker. Because you know, all my cars, my favorite were Hot Wheels. It's like I know some of all the cars. Yeah, guys, that green color we're just using right now, Rip Rod, I have him, but he's a blue color shape. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. Yeet. Bam. Just guys, stay tuned, guys. Don't worry, I'll show you in shots, but right now I won't show you. Yeah. Yes. Bam. Bam. Finished. 3 stars already, guys. Just imagine. Yeah, guys, I'll sing this car. Okay, guys, I'll be showing you this. I have this car in real life, but it's a different color. Sorry, guys, that was my alarm there. Okay, I can show you guys this car and this one in real life. I only have these two cars in real life. So I have this thing called the Doing It Up, the car. I already know all the cars' name, but this one is Sass, so this one is Mountain Muller. This is Dwardzilla. Yeah, Dwardzilla. This is Rip Rod. This is Doing It Up. This is Bone Shake. This is Bad J Bone Shake. Whoa. Okay, that one is for a off-road bone shaker. Because there's two different, not even two, there's three. There's a racing one, a off-road one, and a master track one. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Just stay tuned in YouTube Shorts. you see these two cards I have with these two, but this reproduct is a different color. So let's go. I also have another card here. There's a lot of oh yeah, I used to have this car only, and this car, this car is in the game. It's called the Roger Dodger. As you can see there with that massive engine. I used to have this car called the Night Shifter. This is a bulletproof. This is muscle speed, and this is D muscle. Okay, And guys, I have this car in real life. It's called the Scorpio. Yeah, wait, let me go to graphics then. It's just bringing back memories, guys. Just imagine. Oh, so it wants me to play. Okay, guys. Let me Okay, this is Growler. This is Rattlek Racer. This is Street Creeper. Kind of looks like a spider too, guys, but me, I call it just a spider car. But it's a Street Creeper. This is Shark Bite. Okay, so let's use Scorpedo. And let's go. As you can tell, guys, this car is slow. Oh, I forgot the bomb was there in this thing. Okay, guys. As you can see, guys, the way it just went upside down there. You see, it exploded into pieces. Now this part. Oh, yeah. Okay. I went inside there. Bam. Just bringing back memories for driving this game. I used to play this game when I was in 3rd grade. Almost done the finish line, and we are done. Alright, guys, my next video is going to okay, I got 1 star. Okay, guys, my next video is going to be about Hot Wheels Unlimited. So guys, please stay tuned, because I'm not yet done with this thing. Okay, let me go to the pictures. Yeah, this is the car that I have, but it's a different color. This one you see in the game, it's green, but mine that I have in real life, it's blue. It's blue and white. The wheels are also black for mine. I also have this one, the tune it up. Yeah, it's this car. When you just turn down like this, you say, where's the bottom of the chest? It's gone, you know. And I also have Scorpedo. There's the car that I have. If you guys want to see the first cars that I did, this is the one. Baja Bone Shaker, Dragon Blaster, Roger Dodger, Shark Bite, Rig Storm, and the one and only 24 Hour. So guys, thank you guys for watching. My next video, I'm going to upload it soon. So guys, peace.